So in this really quick tech support video, I'm going to show you how to back up the majority of mobile devices on the market, because a backup is extremely important. Unfortunately, it's not important until you need it. And by that time, if you don't have one, it's already too late. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your Apple devices, some Android devices, and also stick around to the end of the video where I tell you how frequently you should be backing up your device. Let's get started. So backing up an Apple device is actually pretty straightforward, and it's basically the same thing for both iPads and iPhones alike. Quickest thing you're going to do is just open your settings application. And when you're in the settings, you're just going to tap at the very top where your name is, and you're going to scroll down to all the devices that are inside your Apple ID, and you'll select the device, the iPhone in this particular case. And when you go over to the next screen at the very top, you're going to be able to see the option to back up to the iCloud. Now, if you tap that option, it brings you into a little bit more details on what you can do with the actual backup system itself. And like I said, here you have the automatic backup that's set up. I would definitely suggest turning that on. That basically just backs up every night when you connect your iPhone to power, or if you haven't backed up in a while, you can actually initiate a backup immediately by hitting that backup now button. Now for Android devices, it may just be a little bit different. They may have two different backup options based on the brand of Android you have. If you go into your settings and you go to the accounts section, you'll see the different backup options. With this particular one, I have a Samsung device. So Samsung Cloud has the ability to back up my Android device similar to what Apple does or similar to what Google does. So it's just one of the options I can select. If I select that, it gives me all the things that I can actually back up and restore from: call logs, messages, apps, all that fun stuff. But if you go back out, you also have a secondary option for Android devices. And the majority, I think all Android devices actually are going to have this option that's going to be backing up to your Google account. So if you have a Google Drive account, I know everyone probably has a Gmail. So if you go into your account and backup section again, you have the Google Drive option there, and this is going to be available on any Android phone. And with that ticked, it's going to automatically back up to your Google Drive, but you also have the ability to select that it only backs up on Wi-Fi, and you can do an instant backup there as well. Now, I would definitely suggest to have at least one of these options selected, whether you're backing up directly to the Google Drive or you're backing up to whatever phone that you purchased, backup to something. Now, as promised, I will definitely offer some suggestions on how frequently you should be backing up your device, and really it's probably every day. If you have the automatic backup set on the Apple devices, then it's going to back up automatically whenever you plug it into a power source towards the end of the night normally, or Android devices with the Google automatic backup on will normally back up once a day as well. But if you don't want the automatic backup on your system on, then you should be backing up at least once a week, more than likely towards the end of the week. So maybe on a Friday night or a Saturday, you definitely want to back up your system, because not much really changes from week to week, hopefully. And if you ever run into an issue where you need to restore a week's worth of data, could be a lot, but depending on your usage case, it may not be. So it really depends on how frequently you use and update and download and change your actual mobile data. If you do it frequently, then I definitely suggest you back up after every significant change, after every significant update. But if you don't change your mobile data as much, then you can feel free to just back up at the end of each week, and you should definitely be fine. But if you haven't backed up your mobile device in quite some time, I would definitely suggest initiate a backup as soon as possible. Anyway, guys, hopefully this video was informative and helped you back up your system, which is definitely needed. If you found it informative and helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and a like button definitely helps out the channel, and make sure to share the video out, because it will definitely help someone in the community who's not backing up their device. As always, guys, thank you so much for checking out our videos. I'm going to throw up some of our other support videos on the side. You can go ahead and check those out now. And until I see you guys next time, as always, make sure to stay safe and peace out.